students, welcome again. Today we shall take a problem that is related with the mean and the median. How we have to decide कि एक particular problem में आपको mean और median कैसे compute करना पड़ता है. Now you can see on the screen there are the data given related with the cars and the number of days. Okay, so you can see the number of cars oblique days, that means 8. Number of days are given 1, 9 cars 3, 10 cars 3, 11 cars number of days are 3, 12 cars number of days are given 4, 13 number of days are 5, 14 number of days are 4, 15 cars and they are running in 3 days. ओके सो सिंपली इस तरह के क्वेश्चन में आपसे पूछा जाता है कि आप इसमें एवरेज निकालिए और साथ ही साथ आप मीडियन को भी डिसाइड कीजिए और मोड को भी हाईलाइट कीजिए. So first of all, what you have to do, as you can see, this is the discrete type of question. Okay, in the discrete questions the values are given and the frequencies are given. तो number of cars x के थ्रू हमने डिनोट कर दी और number of days हम frequency लेके चलेंगे. Here the frequency का total, that is the sigma f, will be assumed as n. ठीक है, n total number of observations will be treated as the total of all the frequencies, that is coming 26. इन सबको add करके we will get sigma f or n. Okay, basically it is 26. Now the step second is, as we did earlier also, what you have to do, the frequencies and the cars, number of cars or the x values will be multiplied. हम एक एक करके इन सारों को multiplied करके fx column में fit करते हैं. 8 into 1 8, 9 into 3 27, 10 into 3 30, 11 into 3 33, 12 into 4 48, 13 into 5 65, 14 into 4 56, 15 into 3 45. So here what we are getting, sigma fx, that is the total of the series, which is coming 312. Okay, so first step is to mention the values which will be denoted by x. Second, mention the frequencies, sum up them, and in the third column you are supposed to create the fx, that means the values and the frequencies will be multiplied with each other. Finally, you have to create the cumulative frequency column. इस कॉलम में आप जितनी भी फ्रीक्वेंसीज दी हैं उनको वन बाय वन आपने ऐड करते हुए चलते हैं. 1 1 1 plus 3, that will be 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 5 19, 19 plus 4 23, and last is 23, and the last frequency is 23. So 23 plus 3. Here we are getting the CF 26. Okay, now first thing is to get the average, the mean or the arithmetic mean of this table. Formula is sigma fx upon n or sigma fx upon f. Okay, here sigma fx, which we got, that is 312, will be divided by n or sigma f. That is the total of all the frequencies, which is 26. So what we are getting, the average is 12 cars. यानी number of days पूरे weekly में 12 cars हमारी road पे चलती ही चलती हैं. The running cars are 12. Next is to get the mode. Actually the mode is the highest frequency, which is showing the highest frequency, that is the mode of that table. So here you can see that in the table of number of cars, the in the number of this highest frequency is basically which is showing the highest one, that is basically the highest one is the 13. The mode at the highest frequency is 13 cars per day. As you can see on the table also, that simply showing 13 number of cars and the number of days were 5. यानी 13 कार 5 दिन रन कर रही थी रोड पे. तो simply by observation you got that the 13 is the highest one. Okay, so you will say that z is equals to 13. Now the third portion is about to calculate the median. Now for median what we have to use the cumulative frequency. Okay, Well, for the cumulative frequency, we apply the formula n plus 1 upon 2. Simply ये discrete series का question है, तो यहाँ पर ये formula apply होगा. n यानी हमारे पास total observations हैं, numbers हैं 26, उसमें आपने 1 add करना है, that simply means 27. 27 would divided by 2. We will get 13.5. Now 13.5 we will use this table for getting where this 13.5 is occurring. तो आप देखेंगे 13.5 is covering in 14. ठीक है, 14 वाली रेंज में वो कवर कर रहा है, जो हमारा 9 plus 1 upon 2 आता है. So here 14 is the cumulative frequency and which is coming in 12. The value is 12. So what you will say? The 13 and the 14 score, because we got the answer 13.5, we will take the next value also. 13 will remain 13 and the next will be added for 0.5. 13 and 14 scores both lies in 12 cars per day. Therefore, the median is 12 cars per day. As I say, क्योंकि आपको फॉर्मूले के थ्रू 13.5 मिला और 13.5 14 में कहीं ना कहीं फॉल कर रहा था, तो इसीलिए हमने जो मीडियन नंबर डिसाइड किया, हमने उसे 12 डिसाइड किया. ओके, सो दिस इज द मीडियन.